This is the last time we'll see you. Love you.
How about no longer being?
My approach is actually the sort of way of approach to all problems, very cautious. It's important.
Can I ask where we're going now?
Audience, Tibetan, who recently come. Then some, I think, from Ladakh.
These are Tibetans who've come over from Tibet
Yes,
recently.
that's right. So almost every month, some Tibetans now come. So I always meet them and give them some, let's say, encouragement. That's my duty.
A lot of them come to see you.
Yes. I think with unrealistic expectation. 당연하다. 맹강지 따지시다. 그래 상주시잖아. 개지 마. 맹강 쳐지시기나. 그래서 너도 손다. Many of them return. So, in the past, because here, free country, no immediate danger. So they sometimes, due to our carelessness, when these people return, some case arrest.
Why do you think the Chinese...
It's Radio City 96.7.
Liverpool's preparing for the arrival of one of the world's biggest spiritual leaders. The Dalai Lama will give a lecture at the Anglican Cathedral, where he's set to pick up an honorary fellowship from John Moores University. The Chinese government have complained about the visit. They occupy his home country of Tibet and accuse him of trying to split the motherland. The Dalai Lama fled in 1959 and has lived in exile ever since.
Clandestine jawar muchipa budan jana dendi shune enchike zabatile nyur tanya gi tabshi tugu yuto yamina clandestine jangul muchipa pe mawajne kusi chasan chilol cher juya gi tabshi gi logo mebre sumdu kunzu ta tsuti gi amare kange chishute logo mebre ta tsumatiba 다 이내 가서 단다 정물 치 공로 옆에 로유 인상 되게 템베 신잡지래 마도 지단다 부기 간요데 마사마스네 되게 말해
もありますが、その前に全員で般若心経を読書したいと思います。
はい、では生徒手帳名札の方を出してください。
양들이 양자 사직 될래버리 화장 가우죠. 엔들이 하버트에 보게다 가족이나 찍리야 땅안 나버리. 애니 싫으니부 닌다를 시던 되게 요래. 맨 싸움도 되게 요래. 싫으니부 던다디 애니 토마토 파도 쌈 타마 곰제. Some of you really looks very, very serious. I want to see your teeth. That's much better. I think smile, genuine smile, is one of the unique about the human face. So we must use that. I think tiger, very good teeth, but no ability to show the teeth. If tiger shows teeth, brings fear, the human teeth show brings peace, happy. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate the leaders, organizers, this opportunity. Thank you very much. Now finished. Thank you.